This is hands down the best free AI video generator I've ever tested. It's unlimited, run right in your browser and turn your text into amazing animated videos in multiple styles. Pixel, anime, cartoon, 3D and lots more. And here's the kicker, even though it's normally add a watermark, I will show you the simple trick to get rid of it and create stunning professional videos completely free. You are not paying a dime. With all that being said, let's dive in. Head over to your browser and type ChatGLM.cn. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description. Once you are here, don't panic if the language is a Chinese. What you need to do is for you to click on this three dot at the top right of your phone. Once you click on it, click on translate and do well to choose your local language that you understand. I'm just going to be choosing English, okay? As you can see, the entire site has been translated in English. For us to make use of this site, we need to log in. So what you need to do now is for you to click on login. As you can see, they're asking us to input our phone number. You can go ahead and input your phone number, but if you are not okay with that, there's another way that you can get your phone number. Go to this website called temporarynumber.com. I'm going to be leaving the link also in the description. Once you are here, scroll down and choose any country of your choice. You can choose US, Canada, Spain, Finland, anyone. I'll just click on US. Once I click on US, it's going to load and it will bring me here. As you can see, say receive SMS online US. So I'll copy the US number. Once it's been copied, I'll head over back to the website. Before you paste in the number, do well to change this country code to US country code. Once that is be done, paste in the number here. Once you are done pasting in the number, come here and click on get verification code. Once you click on get verification code, it's going to bring up a captcha just like this. It's bringing you this captcha for you to fill it in order for the website to know that you are a human and not a robot. So once that is done, head over back to temporarynumber.com and click on update latest SMS. When you click on update latest SMS, it's going to be updated. Once it's been updated, just scroll down and you are going to see the code. Okay, once you get the code, as you can see, it say 11 seconds ago. So quickly copy the code. Once the code is being copied, head over back to the website and paste it there. Once you paste it there, click on login, and as you can see, we now have full access to this platform to do whatsoever we want to do. How cool is this? So by your left here, you're going to see ChatGLM. You see AI search, AI drawing, AI reading, AI video, and a whole lot of things. Okay, so let's explore this site one after the other. This one that says ChatGLM is just like ChatGPT. So let's start with that. Click on it. When you click on it, then come here and paste in whatever you want this platform to do for you. Just use it the way you use your ChatGPT. Because I'm here, I'll just paste in my prompt. I'll be leaving all the prompts I'll make use of in this video on my Telegram channel, and the link will be in the description. So do well to check it out if you need any of these prompts. Okay, so this prompt says give me Pixar-style images and animation prompt for cute baby animals: lamb, bunny, goat, cat, dog, cow, ram, duckling. Each should have an image prompt and an animation prompt that matches it. Keep it detailed and simple. So I'm just going to click on send. Okay, once I click on send, as you can see, this platform is already generating content for us just the way ChatGPT will do. Okay, now it's done generating. Make sure you copy every bit of it because we are going to be making use of it shortly. Click on AI drawing for us to start generating our own images. Before we start generating our own images, you can see these beautiful images here. These are images that other people have generated with this platform. Okay, so we are going to be making use of the content, that's the prompts that these two has given us earlier before. Okay, I'm just going to paste in the first prompt, which is that of the puppy. So once that is done, I'll come here and click on this style for me to choose the kind of style I want to generate my image in. Okay, so they actually have a whole lot of style here, but I'm just going to be using the pixel style. I'll just scroll up and I'll click on pixel style. So once that is done, I'll come here and click on this aspect ratio. Do well to choose the aspect ratio based on the platform you are creating for. I'm creating for YouTube, so I'll just click on 16:9. Once that is done, I'll come here and click on generate. As you can see, our images are generating. Okay, one thing I love about this tool is this: when you put in one prompt, it's going to give you 4 different images for the particular prompt you've entered. Okay, and here you have it. This is the images that this tool has generated for us, and there you go. These are the 4 stunning images that this tool has given us. In my opinion, I think these images are really cute, compiled with the fact that this tool is a free tool and is unlimited. You can generate as many images as possible with different style. These images are really cute and I love them. Okay, shortly we'll be animating these images, but before then, let's generate other images. I'm just going to paste in the second prompt. After pasting it, I'll click on the style, then choose the style that I want. I'll still be going for pixel style, then click on aspect ratio, choose the aspect ratio that I want. I will be leaving it at 16:9. Once that is done, I'll just hit here for it to start generating. As you can see, our 4 images are ready. How cool is this? These images are really stunning. For a free tool, I think these images are really stunning. Okay, don't worry about the watermark. We are going to be doing something to the watermark. I just went ahead and generate other images. For you to download your image, press hold on the image and this option will pop up. Click on download image and it will be downloaded to your device. Let's animate some of the images we've generated. Just scroll down and click on this one in AI video. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but once you scroll down, you are going to see the option that has video in it. Click on it and it's going to bring you here. Once you are here, click on this camera icon. It's going to take you to your gallery. Choose the image you want to animate. It's going to bring you here. Here you can resize the image, but I'm still going to be leaving mine at the original, which is 16:9. You can also replace the image. I'm just going to click on upload. Okay, once I click on upload, it's going to load up and bring me here. Here you need to enter the animation prompt. The animation prompt this tool give us before, just go there and copy it and paste it here. Click on this place that says 5 seconds for you to choose the duration of the video. Just make sure it's on 5 seconds. Once that is done, click on generate and it's going to generate a video for us. As you can see, our video is in the queue and it will be ready in 4 minutes. Let's wait. After 4 minutes, we'll be back. Now our video is ready. Let's click on it and watch it together. Did you see this? Wow, the body movement, the hand movement, the mouth movement, like the general video is top notch. Let me assume you want to do a podcast. All you need to do is for you to come to this platform, generate your image, convert the image into video, then lip sync the images and you have a full-blown podcast in split of minutes. How cool is this? This tool is very nice. I think since it's a new tool and it's free now, just do well to make use of it before it will become pro. And as for the watermark, just crop it and the watermark will be gone. You can also add background music to your video by just clicking on this place that says add background music. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Here you can choose any form of style or any form of music that you want to be playing on your background. Okay, so once you are done, just click on save and it will be saved. Okay, so once you are done with everything, just click on this download icon and the video will be downloaded to your device. Now let's try and create a video with text. Okay, still under the AI video. Once you are there, just pasting your prompt here. Okay, after pasting your prompt, you can click on this basic to change the aspect ratio. Mine is already in 16:9, and you can also click here for the duration of the video. Okay, mine is in 5 seconds. So once that is done, just click on generate and it's going to generate this video for you. As you can see, it's showing that it's on queue. Our video is going to be ready in 4 minutes. Then in 4 minutes time, this is our video. Wow, this video is really amazing. Look at the video now, check it out. We just text prompt and a video is ready. Okay, I will always advise that you should really take advantage of this platform now that it is free. Before you know it, they might turn it to pro that you need to subscribe before you can do anything in this platform, because this platform is too good to be free. Let me know your thought in the comment section. If you are yet not to like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next one.